meaning to do that for ages. I guess it works. I'll show you the real test is the smoke. Oh well. Hello, it's 1:30, I believe. And all I've done today is to get up about 8:30 and finish editing the video of the 9th, which was when? Tuesday, I think. Okay. What did I do? I don't know if I had breakfast before I edited. I think I did. Then I edited and then I finished and then exported. So kicked off the export and then I thought I'd go out because I think I'm coming down with the cold or the flu. Because all day yesterday I've had a heavy head, and then there were a couple of other symptoms, the last of which was sneezing. Plus there's this feeling of feeling down. I would say depression to give you an idea, but it's not depression, it's just, it must be a symptoms of whatever this flu is. It must be man flu, you know, when you feel just don't want to do anything, you don't feel like anything. So I had a heavy head. Or something else. Blocked nose. Oh, sore throat. That's right, I woke up with a sore throat. Then I started sneezing. And every time I got up, I felt drowsy. But having said all that, I went for a drive after the exporting. I was going to go to Hampton Park, but I thought, well, I've got to be back for the export end so I can upload to YouTube. So I thought I'd just go for a drive. But I know going to the car was freezing cold. It's the wind, it's a cold wind out there, despite the bright, it's not that sunny, but it's mostly cloudy, some sunshine, that sort of mix. Anyway, I also went for a drive around the block basically, and came back again, and here I am, about to check the status of the export. Then I'll do the upload, do the thumbnail, and work on the 10th, because today is the 14th. There's no vlog on the 12th. So there's the 10th, 11th, yesterday, 3 days worth. Right, so that's what I'm going to do now. Oh, first of all, take my coat off. There was half an hour left to upload, so I thought I'd have a couple of crisps, some water, and watch University Challenge. I now see that it's completed, which means I'm going to now upload to YouTube and create the thumbnail. the video is now uploading. It'll take about 10 minutes, so I'm going to watch the rest of University Challenge. Right, Tuesday's video is now live on YouTube, and I thought I'd shut down. Give the laptop a rest. In fact, it needs to charge. And while it's doing that, I'm ready to watch the video. Yes, I thought I would pop out for a drive. I felt after editing for a few hours, just wanted to get some more fresh air, even though I'm contained in a thingamajig, a car, with no windows open. So I thought I'd go for a wee drive. Now I'm going to watch vlog 354 of the 9th of April.